Putulin ko. Kasi hindi naman matigas na yung Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and I am back with a new vlog for you guys. So today is Monday, October 12th. It's Columbus Day, so it's a holiday. Didn't have a class this morning. So this morning I woke up like a decent time. Probably like almost 9, I guess. That's all right. But like usually I wake up like around like before 8 or something. Since I have my click around 8 o'clock, I have to wake up like 5 or 6 or something. Actually, 6 is already late for me because like I have to get ready. So this morning I started reading the remaining chapters. As you can see, it's a lot highlighted. Actually, I'm reading microbiology section. I'm finishing the chapters that's gonna be lectured this week, so I don't want to like waste my time and all that. And also next will be my first exam on fundamentals, so I'm reading everything from lecture 3 and lecture 4. I have been reading those for like 3 days now, and then I'm gonna just review the lecture 2, which is the nursing process. What else? This week, this Thursday, I have my practicum again, which is my second practicum, which is the PO medications. Today, I have to write my reflection for the clinicals that I did for the past 3 weeks, I think. So that was necessary for us to do. Last week, it was a lot, and it was a lot of work. So this week, I believe that we will do the PO meds, but I'm not really sure about that. What else? I don't think that I will have, except for the vlog. I don't have, except for this vlog that you're watching. I don't think that I will upload a new video this week because it'll be busy and I don't have time for that. Um, and I just want to vlog and I just want to talk to you guys and update you guys what I've been up to. Oh yeah, I asked my mom to buy me some like wide, white long sleeves because like it's now that it's getting colder. She got me two because I have Tuesday and Thursday. I'm only wearing my uniform in school if we have the practicum, and for clinical it's mandatory to wear the bowel reflexes are back or peristalsis are back. You can actually give them a little fluids, right? Okay. Any questions on what we did right now, guys? I know it's a lot of material. It's a lot. But what I need you to kind of focus is sympathetic, parasympathetic. Break down sympathetic into adrenergic. It activates your acetylcholine, right? We said it also activates your dopaminergics, right? So it's kind of all going upwards. So we're giving for the patient who is not doing well, right? So patient either in anaphylactic reaction, or patient with bradycardia, severe bradycardia, or patient with decreased heart rate, right? Decreased pulses, hypotension. So you want to increase everything for them. That's your sympathetic nervous system, right? And we said that your lungs open up, right? Kind of you breathe a lot deeper, so it's dilation of your pupil.